So now let's start the video. So first we'll take the middle of this page, one bit down, not exactly middle, slightly down. I have taken one horizon line. Okay. Now in the middle, slightly left, yes, over here I have taken the vanishing point. This is the vanishing point. Now I'm going to draw a train over here. So from here, you just take 2 centimeter of gap, otherwise 2 fingers gap over here, and draw one standing line, which will be the down will be 1.5 and the upper point you can make is 2 centimeter. Okay. Now, so that means if this is 2 centimeter from this horizon line upside and the down is 1 centimeter or 1.5, that means 3.5 is the total, right? So we are going to draw a square. So definitely this side also going to be 1.5, 3.5, and now just join this. From this point, I am taking slightly inside gap 2 points and draw one standing line approx 1 centimeter and just join this with the slipping line. Now again we'll take little bit inside 1 point and this side also the same. So here to here is the train part. Now this point we have taken for the track. Okay, so first we'll do the train body from the vanishing point, first visible point for this square, join, and the upper point also you have to connect. It's connected. Now we'll connect this point and vanishing point, then from here to this, and then connect and raise it. Okay. Now this is the track, which is railway iron track. Top of that, this much gap, and take a point on this borderline, join, check, draw here and here. This is the width of the railway track, iron track. And now we'll connect this one, this point to this point, vanishing point. Because of its crossing this body of the train, we are not going to draw over here. We'll just draw the line over here. Okay, same manner, from here to down, we'll take 1 point, which is the thickness of the railway track, and then join. Okay, now the height of the railway track, if you check the railway track is over there, so it's a this is the track where the wheel is moving and the height is this much, so you just take little bit bigger distance from the upper one, and over here we have to take in the down. Correct. Now first we'll join this one from the down. Okay, now we'll join this one totally. Okay, so this one is the thickness, it will be slightly curvy, this one, and this is the standing. Okay, no need to draw this. Fine. Now in this middle, we can see in the railway track there is a wooden block. So how to do this? It should be parallel of this, so you can keep your scale exactly align of the horizon line and then draw the line. First one, just put it little bit down, check the distance here, it should be equal, and then draw the next line. Again just come down, check the upper distance here to here should be equal. Properly keep your scale, hold it, draw the next line. Again just raise it bit more, put it down. Now draw the third line, come down bit more, now draw the next line. Now so on, we'll do the same. Okay, you can see the track now. Now because of this is wooden block, so here is a thickness of the block. So for that we draw small standing line and just draw one more line here to here. Okay, this is the thickness. Okay, same manner, this one, this block lines, you just keep the scale properly now top of that, and raise it in this out. Okay, keep the scale aligned and draw. Okay, now in this manner we have created the line which is not visible, but this part it should be one more the distance. So this is the wooden block and this is height. I think so. When we do the shading, you can understand. So this much is done. Now we are moving for the train upper section. So here is the window. So little bit down this much. Draw the first slipping line so that you can get the alignment. Now erase this part and we'll draw the door. For this you have to draw slight curvy and here also, because the train body is slight curve, right? Now we'll draw the window line up to this. Definitely connect with the vanishing here. Connect with the vanishing here. Now draw the window. And again here is a door. This is window. Okay. We'll cut this much only. This part will draw some two lines for that. Now this much completed. We'll do the side of the train track. So here is the point I'm taking, approx 3 fingers from there. Connect with the vanishing point. Okay. Now the platform over here I'm taking one point. This one is the middle, and this here I'm taking the point from here to here. So you can take as per this one, this one, this one, this one. So we'll connect this. Okay, connected. Now we're moving for the next part. Over here, this one going to be connect like this. That iron. Okay. Now over here, little bit 4 to 5 fingers gap, and just take this point here, and we'll draw the straight line. We'll cross this horizontal line. Now this point to this point will connect and just raise on this left side. Okay. Again, this one when done, slipping line, and this point to this point will connect and just raise it up, connect it. Okay. Here we'll draw one standing line, which is the thickness of the roof, and connect, go up. Fine. This is the side platform room or something. Just erase this inner part. Here we'll make one height from the ground. So this one connect and just raise this side. Now we'll draw the window over here. So for that, first draw the straight line, this much I have drawn here. Upper point and down point connect with the vanishing and raise up to this much. No need to raise up to this, because we'll draw the window inside of this wall. Connect it and now connect with the standing line. Okay, this is the window. Now we'll check this. If the view is from this side, so this part will be visible, the wall inside. So we draw the line over here inside, connect with the vanishing, the down point, raise it, connect with the vanishing, and then raise it. Okay, now this is the frame. Inside you just draw one channel which is for the slide door window slider. Okay, so this is the window part done. Now from here, slightly up, we'll draw one, take one point and then connect it. Okay, this line will erase. That means this is the platform, this much from here to here. This is the middle, this is this. Right, erase this one. It should be in alignment, this one. So just check the vanishing and find out the line first. Extra, erase it. Okay, clear. Now this side also we have to draw some lines which is visible. This part done. Now come to the platform one. Over here we'll draw first one standing line, even two standing lines like this, and from here we'll draw the slipping line which will cross this, down one also, connect with this, and here to this much, so connected line. Now here and here just 2 points. Okay, draw one rectangle, and inside whatever the lines are there, it should be visible, deleted, because it's a solid metal plate, rectangle plate. So top of this we'll draw the station name and it is connected here. Now inside of this iron rod, every line will be erased, means this part. Okay, clear. The station, this part is done, means the, okay. Now here in this back side you can do some greenery, like I'm doing here the back side. From there as a kind of hill type of, which is in the back. Here also suppose this side also one hill. This part is some bushes, or it may draw some house also in this bushes backside. Here is some field, trees. Okay, this side also you can do some bushes, which is part. Fine. Now the background done. Now come to this front part. Here we'll draw the lines, which will be first. This is the border line. Now draw. Just keep the scale totally aligned with the border line, and now draw the slipping line. I think you can understand how to utilize the vanishing point. Now, the answer is why is vanishing point after completion of the painting, means the drawing. You can see this one vanishing point is not visible anymore. So this is the drawing part of this scenery, or you can check this the total one point perspective drawing.